Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Victory Classes by Cherry Agarwal. Today I am here again with another video on English literature which is important for your Master Cadre exam and other government exams related to English. If you find my channel useful, then please share, subscribe and like it so that it can reach to the people who need this videos, who need this material to learn for their exam. So our today Indian English writer is A.K. Ramanujam. So let's get started. A.K. Ramanujam was born on 16 March 1929 and he died on 13 July 1993. First of all, you must know the complete name of A.K. Ramanujam, that is Attipate Krishnaswamy Ramanujam. That is very important for your exam point of view related to Ramanujam. Now, A.K. Ramanujam was an Indian poet and scholar of Indian literature. A.K. Ramanujam was mostly famous for his poetry. He wrote various works in another genres also, but his poetry was very famous. The languages he knew was English, Kannada and Tamil. Ramanujam works of poetry. As I told you, A.K. Ramanujam was very famous for his poetry work. Though he wrote widely and in a number of genres, उन्होंने बहुत सारे genres में लिखा है, but Ramanujam's poems are remembered as enigmatic works of startling originality. पर उनके जो works हैं, poetry के works हैं, उनको बहुत ज़्यादा माना जाता है, बहुत एक मिस्टीरियस वर्क्स बोले जाते हैं. उनकी पोइम्स की जो ओरिजिनलिटी है, सोफिस्टिकेशन है और उनमें जो उन्होंने आर्ट यूज़ किया, दैट मूविंग आर्टिस्ट्री, दैट इज़ वेरी फेमस. सो A.K. Ramanujam was mostly famous for poetry. Next is very important. Raja Ramanujam was awarded with Sahitya Academy Award posthumously. पॉस्थमसली का मतलब क्या है कि उनकी डेथ के बाद उनको ये अवार्ड मिला 1999 में. जो उन्होंने कलेक्टेड पोएम्स लिखी थी उसके लिए उनको ये अवार्ड मिला, साहित्य अकेडमी अवार्ड. नेक्स्ट इज ही वॉज ऑल्सो अवॉर्डेड विद पद्म श्री इन 1976. नेक्स्ट इज मैकअर्थर प्राइज फेलोशिप. ही ऑल्सो वन मैकअर्थर प्राइज फेलोशिप इन 1983. As many people know that he was an Indo-American writer, कि इंडिया के थे बट अमेरिका में रहते थे, अमेरिकन सिटीजन थे. He had the experience of the native as well as the foreign milieu, कि उनको अपने इंडिया के लोगों के बारे में और फॉरेन के लोगों के बारे में काफ़ी कुछ पता था, उनके बारे में उनको एक्सपीरियंस था. Now come to his most important works that made him very famous. The first work is there an Indian way of thinking? Is there an Indian way of thinking? It was published in 1990. It was a cultural essay. Cultural essay है, इसमें cultural ideologies को explain किया गया है and behavioral manifestations को explain किया गया है. Next important work is Where Mirrors Are Windows. The full name is Towards an Anthology of Reflection. It was published in 1989. You just remember the name of the works and their publishing date. This can be asked in your exams as you have to eliminate the works and you have to they can ask you that which is the work written by Ramanujam and which work is not written by him. So it will help you in elimination. So you just remember the name of the works. Next is The Interior Landscape, Love Poems from a Classic Tamil Anthology. It was published in 1967. It is a folk tale study. वो एक folklorist भी थे, so that's why ये एक folk tale study है. Next is Speaking of Saiva, Penguin, 1973. Hymns for the Drowning, that was published in 1981. Poems of Love and War 1985, Folk Tales from India, ओरल टेल्स फ्रॉम 20 इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस। 20 इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस में से ये ओरल टेल्स उठाई गई हैं, उन्हीं को लिखा गया है। दैट वाज पब्लिश्ड इन 1991। व्हेन गॉड इज अ कस्टमर 1994। नेक्स्ट इज अ फ्लावरिंग ट्री and other oral tales from India. A flowering tree and other oral tales from India in 1997. Next, the most famous poem and work by A.K. Ramanujam is The Striders. This is the notable work by Ramanujam, The Striders and Second Sight. These both works are very, very famous. These are poetry. The Striders were published in 1966. Next work is Relations. This is also a poem, 1971. Next is Selected Poems. This was published in 1976. Next is the notable work Second Sight. It was published in 1987. And next is the Collected Poems 1997, which were published posthumously, which were awarded by Sahitya Academy Award posthumously. So in 1997, so this is a very, very famous work, the notable works by Ramanujam. This is all about Ramanujam. This is sufficient for your exam, for your any exam related to English literature. So thank you very much. Stay connected. I will come with another important videos on English literature which are very, very important for exam point of view. You just stay connected, keep watching my videos. I will bring videos related to other subjects also, like science and other subjects. So stay connected, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you very much.